Hey YouTube. So this is my review on the KDD 25-inch desk mount webcam stand. Now, I got this on Amazon and there were pretty good reviews on it, so I just thought maybe do a quick unboxing, showcase of the box. Looks pretty good. You can see there's different mounts, different mount settings rather. So this is the inside of the box. Seems like pretty good quality. Yeah, that's solid metal. Very good. Very solid quality. Seems very, yeah. Seems like really good quality. Instruction manual. Gives you a nice little rundown. All the different ways to adjust it, how to set it up. Very good. Nice instructions too. Looks like it's written pretty well. Last two pieces in the box. I guess this is the part that holds your phone. Wow. That's pretty good quality. It's actually really good quality. This is plastic, but the rest, I mean, is metal. I guess this is for if you have a webcam. Let me show here in the instructions. Swivel area. I guess the touches to this as well. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh man. This thing is great quality. Let's see if we can get this thing going. Wow. And you see the teeth kind of allow you to change different positions. So there's no movement once it's loosened enough to turn the teeth, and the teeth will turn. Wow. The knob is plastic. The knobs are plastic, but I mean, overall, seems like really good quality. I'm actually really impressed. Wow. And I guess this piece here is the part that would let you tighten it. Overall, I gotta figure this last piece out here. Oh, I think I got it. Okay. Overall, very good quality. Like metal connector. Yeah. So there she is. Beautiful stand.